We want to get out to News 12's Julio Avila. He is tracking the latest on the rise in monkeypox cases that we're seeing across the city and the mayhem in getting vaccine appointments live and available to those in need. Julio, what's the latest?
Yeah, well, for those who did get the monkeypox vaccine, it was a huge deal for them, even as the city is recording right now, roughly 267 cases. Now, there was a line outside here, the Central Harlem Sexual Health Clinic, when we got here just before 3 o'clock up until 7 o'clock. A lot of the people we spoke to who got the vaccine say that they were feeling lucky, but unfortunately for those hopefuls that were hoping to get an appointment, their luck has run out, at least for now.
For me, I wanted to protect myself and also protect the people around me. So
Zach Fisher was one of the lucky ones to get his monkeypox vaccine after waiting in line outside the Central Harlem Sexual Health Clinic. So was John Callahan, though he says his significant other was losing hope as he navigated the appointment portal through the New York City Department of Health's website.
He was at work trying to do it, so I don't know what time he lost during work.
But we also saw how navigating the appointment portal could cause people to lose hope. A new round of appointments were rolled out at 1 o'clock, and we attempted to go through the process ourselves. We kept getting the message, the service is unavailable, multiple times. For those who didn't encounter this issue, they were able to get an appointment until all slots filled up just before 4:30. The city's health department acknowledges the issues were due to an overwhelming amount of online traffic. And as Dr. Ryan Light tells us,
it's not something that we expected monkeypox to break out. I mean, it's been exceedingly rare over the last 40 years.
Dr. Light doesn't recommend just anyone get the vaccine unless you're at a high risk. Most cases so far have been reported amongst gay and bisexual men.
If you're not having those situations with people who are at high risk, or people who've had the rash, or people who've had this symptoms before the rash, which is the fever, then you're probably not at the highest risk. Walking down the street, it's not going to be the same as corona, because corona is transmitted much easier.
Now, as of right now, we don't know when there's going to be more appointments, but what we do know is that roughly 14,500 doses of the monkeypox vaccine are expected to come to New York City sometime later this week. We're in Harlem. I'm Julio Avila, News 12.